What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and I am so excited for today's video. We are finally installing an exhaust system on my 2024 Subaru Impreza RS. Let's hop into it. And here we have it, guys. This is the exhaust system we're gonna be throwing on the Impreza. I went ahead and picked up this dual chamber quad tip exhaust from Nameless Performance. I went with a quad tip exhaust because I feel like it's gonna complement the back end of this car really nicely. I went with the stainless steel tip finish. You can also get them in a burnt tip finish. So in layman's terms, what a dual chamber exhaust system is essentially is you have your regular exhaust system, but you have this additional piping right here attached to an additional resonator. So what this additional resonator is gonna do is help with drone. That's what it's for. Now, adding on to that, something really special about this exhaust system is I reached out to Nameless directly because their muffler delete is extremely loud, in my opinion, and their 5-inch muffler, I've seen the videos, it's still very loud. So this right here is actually their 10-inch executive muffler. They have double the packing, not as an obnoxiously loud sound. I actually had to reach out to Nameless directly to see if this could be done, if I could get the dual chamber setup, because typically when you order this dual chamber setup, it comes with the 5-inch muffler. They told me for an additional $45, I could get the 10-inch muffler with this setup. Now, it was a custom-made setup because this isn't something that they actually sell to the public. This is something you can reach out to them directly and negotiate with. So I got an additional upcharge for this muffler, so I kind of got the best of both worlds. I got the dual chamber and I got their bigger muffler, so I think this is going to be like the ultimate best setup. So for those of you that are new to exhaust systems, axle backs, they're just for sound. For performance, you're looking for a cat back exhaust system. Now with that said, Nameless does sell a mid pipe that you can actually pair to this and create your own full catback exhaust system, which we will be doing in the near future. So with that said, if you don't want to go with the Nameless exhaust, I'll go ahead and throw up a couple other options for you. Now keep in mind, there really aren't that many options available at this time of recording, so I'll go ahead and search and add what I can find and give you guys some additional options. So now that you've seen the exhaust systems that are available to you, let's go ahead and hop into the install. All right, guys, so here we are. First step you're gonna wanna do is obviously jack the car up, put it on jack stands. All we have is two 14mm bolts right here with some nuts attached to them that we're just gonna be removing. That disconnects your mid pipe from your actual muffler, and then we have two exhaust hangers right here that we just have to pull out, and then the muffler just falls right out. So this isn't really all that difficult. This installation shouldn't take us that long at all. So let's go ahead and loosen up those bolts. Alright guys, so that was a little tricky. We got our OEM muffler off. These rubber grommets are a pain to come off. You gotta get kind of creative. I heard that people use some spray lubricant like WD-40 helps to lubricate them and get them out a little easier. I just kind of manhandled them and got them out. You just got to get kind of creative with that. So we're gonna go ahead and transfer our rubber grommets to our new exhaust system. Before we put it up, one thing I forgot to mention, there is an exhaust gasket right here, just like this. We're gonna need to remove that because Nameless actually provides us with a new gasket that we're gonna be putting on with our new exhaust system. And there we have it, guys. That is the installation complete. fairly easy, fairly straightforward. If you like what you saw, like, share, and subscribe. Let's roll these sound clips. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.